A little dumpling shop tucked away on Somerled is getting some big buzz. It's a family-run restaurant making traditional Chinese dumplings by hand. With Weekend Bite, here's Kelly Gregg.
Ai Dumplings started at home. Jiayi's children encouraged her to share her homemade specialty with the world.
Actually, this idea from my kids. They said, oh, we like it, why not? You can open a restaurant and everybody gonna be like it.
The technique of making the dough, stuffing, and folding the little pockets is something she learned from her family in China. She brought the same techniques over to Canada 15 years ago. And when her children were learning, it was more playtime than dinner time.
My kids, they like, when I make dumplings, they like to start help. But that's not real help. They're like, make the playdoh. They're playing.
Her restaurant offers 22 kinds of dumplings, filled with a combination of meat and vegetables.
Number 11, please.
11,
Yeah.
steamed.
Then steamed or fried. And customers can watch their dumplings being made from scratch.
Where is the open kitchen, and a lot of people like to watch it. It's easy watching to how to make it, and even some people ask, "Oh, can you open the class and teach us how to how to make the dumplings?"
It's something she's considering, but 7 months after opening, her small shop on Somerled is a big success, and keeping up with demand is her main goal.
She tried a bit. I said, "Do you have dinner?" She said, "No." She tried a bit. She loved it, and I gave her your card. I said, "Come by."
Customers come looking for a quick and tasty meal.
We had lunch special.
And what better way to warm up on a winter's day?
In China, most popular it's the North people eat it. There is the temperature like here.
Dumplings can be a traditional celebration food, eaten for the Lunar New Year as a harbinger of wealth.
After you eat the dumpling, and it means the old year is past, and welcome the new year. In China, we like to eat with the vinegar, but here and the Western people, they most like with the soy sauce. But we just put where the heart. I treat every customer like my family.
A little taste of home that started around her own dinner table. Kelly Gregg, CTV News.